Keep pouring it.
Okay.
What? Hold it to where you see the TV. So, hello guys, today in this YouTube video, my sister is the one holding the camera. It's not me. See, I can put my hand in front. I can put the controller in front. It's me.
I
If
can
you wanna
put my
see
leg in.
us- Oh God, you're covering the camera with your hands. You're covering it with your thumb. Don't put your thumb there. That's where it records. Why'd you turn around? What? Stop. Put your thumb back here. Hold it. Hello, guys.
Make
This is
sure to
us.
like and subscribe.
Also to like, subscribe, and yes. Make sure to do it. Yes. Okay. Bye. Minecraft. Bro, why'd you do that? Stop. Stop or you're not going to be in the YouTube video. And why are you wet? Why did I feel wet?
Because I spilled water on me.
Where?
On my sock.
When?
Right now.
Don't press on anything.
I'm pressing the green one.
Okay, today, guys, I'm showing you how to survive from Minecraft for 12 hours. Yes, God, it's 12 hours. If you don't believe me, then watch this. Look outside. If you don't believe me. Darkness. Dark out there. If you don't believe me.
Don't move.
See, dark outside.
Oh,
This is
crap.
outside. It's dark. Yara, keep putting the thingy now. To where you see the TV. Yara, hold it. God, hold it. Well then, get out. You're not in the YouTube video if you don't hold it.
I'm gonna hold it now.
Okay.
That wood drink was actually tasting so bad.
Come on, hold it.
Okay.
Just hold it to where they only see the TV.
Okay.
Do I see the TV? Because you can see where they see. Okay, guys, we're doing the video now. And let's go. Let's do the YouTube video. So let's join whichever world we're actually going to create
I
a new
want to
world.
do the sunset.
This one.
Okay.
And then we're going to go to survival, peaceful, advanced, flat world, starting back, show coordinates.
Can you see, guys?
Yes, they can.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
My blue. Natural generation.
I want to use a tablet.
Use a water bottle on dirt. Are you gonna hold it or not? Is it fun?
Yes.
So we're in.
I want to play Minecraft and you hold it.
After this YouTube video. So guys. What did you do? You turned it around. We're gonna need ender pearls. So I do this. Like this. And
Get the ender pearls.
how? So now that we have ender pearls,
Then just throw them.
so I'm at 49.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
I spawned at 48.
Play quickly so I can play too. I want to use the tablet. I did not even press the button.
Okay. Guys, we're actually going to do the redstone now. So we're going to do this.
Can you get TNT?
Yes.
Get that TNT. Get TNT. I want you to get TNT. Get TNT.
Oh.
Yeah.
God.
I'm not gonna hold the tablet.
Okay, give me it. You're not going to hold it.
I want to play the game. It's not even your turn to use the tablet. It's still my turn. Because I rolled it all the way at the bottom. That's why it took too long. Where's the moon? Walk around like a bad moon.
Poopy. Butts. Poopy butts.
Can you see me?
So, guys, we actually did something wrong. You actually want to do this to make it fly.
I want to use the
There's a button
tablet because you're using the Xbox. I am.
And yeah, that's gonna be all for this video. Bye bye.